Good day, everyone. I am here to present my life through the lens of Jose Rizal. Hi, everyone. My name is John Michael Du. I live in Nausok, Hagna, Bohol. I am 20 years old. I am currently studying at Crystal E College as a marine engineering. Hi, everyone. So today, I will share my experience in life and compare it to the life of Rizal. This present my life experience compares with the life of Jose Rizal. Our national hero, Jose Rizal, who sacrificed his life for our freedom. I choose this topic because the life of Rizal teaches us the importance of education and perseverance and for the love for our family or his family and service to our country. Although our lives are different, I can relate it's many of his experience and values. I came from a loving family that has supported me always reminds me to be humble and to be kind to others and also focus on my studies. And I learned that family is the foundation at what we are today. Just like Jose Rizal, he has a loving mother. Uh, he has a loving family led by his mother that teaches him being disciplined and respectful to other people in the same way my parents teaches me in life. Hi everyone, I will now talk about my childhood days where I spent my time playing outside, playing basketball, patintero, hide and seek, and many more just for a small moments that makes me happy in life. One of my memorable moments is when I'm playing basketball with my friends. Even I lost to them all the time we play. I am still happy because we bond together as a friend. I don't mind losing every game because all that matters is the friendship and a strong bond together as a friend. I experienced many difficulties and challenges on school, even in the personal life, and I faced discrimination in school or outside the school, just like Rizal, who faced discrimination in his childhood days. And that's why I learned to be strong and continue moving forward because I am motivated by Jose Rizal, who fights harder in life. Even he is discriminated by others. That's why we need to be stronger. As a marine engineering student, it is very difficult because I often face demanding subjects that require discipline and dedication. There are moments when assignments and projects and evenly examination becomes overwhelming. This reminds us that these challenges are the opportunity for growth and self-improvements in life. Education has been one of the most important part of our journey. Now, I will now talk about my educational journey. My educational journey began in elementary school where I learned basic knowledge and developed important skills in life. As I continued my studies, I encountered challenges such as difficult subjects like math, science, or many more subjects, and especially deadlines when passing an assignment or project, and balancing responsibilities. Despite these obstacles, I remain committed to achieving my goals in life. Even Jose Rizal valued education deeply. He studied in different several schools, continued learning through his life. His dedication motivates me to work hard and pursue my dream. My aspiration is to graduate successfully and build a better future to myself and to my family. During high school, I discovered my strength and became more focused on my future goals. As of today, I'm pursuing a degree in marine engineering. Being a marine engineering student is both exciting and challenging in life. This program requires technical knowledge, discipline, and strong commitment to learning. Even though there are moments when academic requirements becomes difficult, but every strength challenges strengthen my will of determination to succeed like Jose Rizal, that always valued education as a powerful tool for personal and national development in life. I also believe that education can change life. That's why my dream is to become a marine engineering that works abroad and board an international vessel ships to support my family and to contribute to the marine industry. I will now talk about my daily life. My daily life is simple. I wake up early and prepare for school and eat my breakfast, and then after attend my class and to listen to the teachers and study my lesson and help at home. But sometimes it's tiring. I also remind myself that every small efforts will become bigger and successful in the future. Just like Jose Rizal, his discipline motivates me how to manage my time and stay focused on my goal as a marine engineering. Like Jose Rizal, that always believe that discipline and continuous learning are important parts of personal growth in life. My reflection and conclusion about my life through the lens of Rizal. Through this documentary, I realized that while I may never experience exactly what Jose Rizal went through back then, I can still learn valuable lessons from his life. We share similarities in valuing education, family, and perseverance and desire to become better individuals in life. Rizal taught us that every ordinary people can make meaningful contribution to society through hard work, knowledge, and character. As I continue my journey, I hope to achieve my goals, help my family, and become responsible citizen who contributes positively to the community. Thank you for listening. to my documentary about my life through the lens of Jose Rizal.